Hey guys, so I've been setting up Docker for the Gibber project. I'm doing it because there's going to be several services that we need to run, such as object storage. We're using Garage for S3 compatibility, and also the Next server and that sort of stuff. So this is the beginning of the Docker Compose for our project. So I'll just go over it. The first thing is the node container. That just runs our Next server, and you can see in the build the context, so it's saying use this project directory, but then the Docker file is located in this directory. And if we look at the Docker file, so we're using node create a work directory, which is basically, it tells Docker where the project is going to be located inside the container. Then we copy some of the stuff we need. We need the package.json and the Prisma directory. So when we do npm install, it needs to see a list of all the packages to install in the container. That's why we need the package.json. And then Prisma, there's a post install hook that uses some of the Prisma stuff to set up the database. And that runs right after we do npm install. So we need our Prisma scheme and that sort of stuff. And there's a node user, so we need to tell Linux to say this directory, the web directory, is owned by the node user. And now if we go back to our Docker Compose, we tell Docker Compose use the node user. And then when we are starting our server, this is for development, so we say the command we want you to run is npm run dev, and then mount a volume, that's our project, into the web directory of our container. So then we can just do our development stuff, and it'll refresh inside the container. And then we need to expose the 3000 ports for to access it on our web browser. I've been setting up Garage. It's not complete yet. I'm going to be using pre-signed URLs to do the user, uploads for attachments and posts and that sort of stuff. It's not quite complete, but I'll hopefully show you that tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe and follow my progress working on this federated social network. Thanks.